Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Realme Narzo 50A Prime. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, then confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Now select Receive on Realme and Send on Oppo. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one file, for example this song. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on Realme, choose No Thanks and tap on Close this window. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan the QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Narzo, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and click on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see my song. Come on! Was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!